Do you want to make your CLO3D designs look like professional fashion visuals? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the rendering process in CLO3D so you can create clean, realistic results every time. And at the end, I'll share my best tips for faster, higher and quality renders. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to quickly share my CLO profile. This is where I upload my digital fashion projects, so if you want to see more examples of my work, detailed renders, textures and collections, you can find them all there. I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Feel free to check it out and connect with me. First, we go to the image settings. Here you can change the image size. For example, you can use the default size or increase the width and height if you want a higher quality render. If you want your render to have a transparent background, make sure to tick the transparent background option. You can also set the file path here, so your render will be saved exactly where you want on your computer. Next, move on to the light section. CLO3D comes with some default lighting setups that you can use right away. These presets are really useful if you don't want to customize too much. Just pick one and adjust it to brightness or shadow quality, depends on your design. Now let's go to the setup section. Here you can choose whether to render with your GPU or CPU. If you have a good graphics card, GPU is much faster, CPU is slower but sometimes more stable if your system struggles with heavy files. In this section, you'll also see the reduce noise option. What this does is clean up the image during rendering. It removes the grainy or noisy pixels so your final render looks smoother. And finally, the time settings. This controls how long CLO3D will spend refining the render. You can set it by minutes. A short render time gives you a rough preview, but if you want a clean portfolio image, increase the time or the sampling. The longer the render runs, the less noise you'll see in the final image. And that's how you can create clean, professional renders in CLO3D. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more digital fashion tips and tutorials. Also, check out my CLO profile through the link in below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.